Hi everyone, I'm Barbara Close, and I'd like to welcome you to Contemporary Variations, where I take you beyond formal copperplate. In my own pointed pen variations, I build on formal copperplate by relaxing the letter forms. I change pen angle, I change the height of the ascenders and descenders, and most importantly, I change the shape of the letters themselves. So you can learn how to create the variations yourself. We'll cover the lowercase letters group by group. Then I'll show you how capital letters can be organized into families. We'll put it all together by exploring a variety of examples from a more formal style, through contemporary, to a more playful or even funky. I'll finish by showcasing my own pointed pen calligraphy, and you'll see how I use these variations in my own art. This should give you plenty of ideas for creating your own variations. So thank you again for signing up for this course, and I hope it will inspire you to have fun with these letters. This is my second class in the Pointed Pen Possibilities series, so if you haven't studied formal copperplate before, you might want to watch my first class.